A very good morning to class 7 students. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of geography, that is environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. In this today's video, I will cover certain headings in which I'll try to cover all the topics related to environment. As in introduction, meaning of the environment, components of the environment, threats to environment, biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth, natural environment, domains of the environment, biosphere, ecosystem, and human environment. Starting with the introduction. As to what is environment? Whatever we see in our surroundings makes the environment. For example, table, chair, school, car, parks, newspaper, mountains, rivers, trees, clothes, books, and so on, comprise of what we know as our environment. Now we come to a more clearer picture regarding the meaning of environment. Environment means the surroundings or conditions in which person, animal, or plant lives or operates. In other words, environment is the place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism. It is a combination of natural and human-made resources. The components of the environment. The basic components of the environment are atmosphere or the air, lithosphere or the rocks and soil, hydrosphere or the water, and the living component of the environment or the biosphere. The thick gaseous layer surrounding the earth, it spreads up to 300 kilometers above the surface of the earth. This diagram clearly shows us the components of the environment. The next heading that we are going to cover in this video is the threats to environment. Threats to environment means anything that can disturb our natural environment. For instance, man-made things such as fumes are polluting the air, the land is being consumed to build factories, etc. Now, the next heading is the biotic and the abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Now, the question arises, what do you mean by biotic components that exist on the earth? So, the answer to it is biotic, the world of living organism or all the living things, for example, plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, people. These are all the components of biotic world that exist on earth. Now we come to the abiotic components on the earth. The world of non-living elements, for example, rock, water, air, sunlight, wind, land, soil. These are comprised of the abiotic world. Now we come to the natural environment. Land, water, air, plants, and animals make the natural environment. Kids, World's Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. That is a good to know information for you people. Now, domains of the environment. Domains or different layers of the environment include lithosphere, the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks, minerals, and covered by the thin layer of soil. Then, the second layer, that is the hydrosphere, the water on the earth's surface, such as lakes, seas, oceans, rivers, etc., comprise of the hydrosphere. After the lithosphere and hydrosphere comes the layer of atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the planet and makes condition on earth suitable for living things. Now we come to the biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom Plant and the animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. This diagram clearly shows the domains of the environment, that is the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. Now we finally come to the ecosystem. An ecosystem includes all the living things, plants, animals and organisms in a given area interacting with each other and also with their non-living environments, weather, earth, sun, soil, climate and atmosphere. As we can see in this chart, I have placed this chart in this video to make and provide you a better picture of our ecosystem, which comprises of biotic components and abiotic components. Then the biotic components have been divided into three parts: producers, which create things, consumers, which consume things, and decomposers, which dispose of whatever the consumers have produced. And further, the consumers are divided into primary, secondary and the top consumers. Here we come to the end of the video regarding environment. Thank you, students.